Alakazam! Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. It's so nice to see your beautiful face. Today, I am going to go to Auto Image Customs, or Auto Image Custom in San Jose to get this kit that I got for Christmas 2 months back, almost 3 months, from Dial Dynamics. This is the RGB WA DRL LED boards USDM with the Bluetooth controller. That's what Jesse got me for Christmas. Very excited about that. I received in the mail yesterday these Halo kits, which are gonna go along the outside of, like, I'll show you guys where, but they're pretty large, so those are gonna go on the outside around my headlights, like, you know, around the actual physical light bulb things. And then this is the Bluetooth controller to go along with it. This can do RGB, so I'm very excited for that. Yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, document the process, and yeah, if you haven't yet, go check out my update video where I talk about what's been going on in my life. Why I haven't been uploading as much. You can meet Stanley. You can get a nice, this is Stanley right here. But yeah, I will see you guys when I'm in my car. I'm gonna get this in there. Oh, before I forget, Unified Clothing, my company. This is the old logo, but I'm doing a promotion, a sale. You can use the code TheWizardTim15 for 15% off your order on unifiedclothing.net. That's gonna be active for 4 days after this video comes out, so keep that in mind. Place some orders if you'd like to. Do that. Yeah, I will see you guys when I'm in my car. Bye. Wow, smells like gas a lot. Wow. Okay, I'm here. I'm gonna walk inside, talk to people, try to get an estimate, and then I'll figure out when I can actually, like, if the estimate's good, I'll try to figure out when I can take the car, bring the car here, and then, you know, I have it, and I need to get home, so I'll figure that out, and I'll update you guys. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, it's been about 30 minutes. This place is dope. It's called Auto Image Custom. If you are anywhere in the Bay Area, I highly recommend you come here for all of your automotive needs. But it's really sick. He came out and looked at the car. We talked about some stuff, went back and forth. I will definitely be coming back here in the future. I'm actually going to leave my car here tonight. I'm just gonna Uber home because I'm tired of not having my car, and I want to get this stuff done. And we may possibly tint the car, which is something that I did not expect. We may be able to get some good deal or something. I'm gonna try to talk to him about that. But either way, it's easier because they're gonna have the car, and I know they do a great job here. Tons of people come here all over the Instagram community in the Bay Area. Cars, obviously. People don't really get tinted. But yeah, so I'm gonna grab all my stuff and I'm gonna give him the keys and we're gonna get this stuff done. Hopefully I can have it by tomorrow or the day after. This is actually a shop, not a Ford dealership, so I'll have it back by the end of this month. So that's great. I'm pumped. I'm pumped. Definitely gonna be coming back here. There's a lot of cool stuff that we talked about. So I'll see you guys when I'm home, I guess. All right, I'm back on my couch. I'm back home. I Ubered home. It is it's 3:49, but no. It's 3:54. Follow me. It's 3:54. I'm back now. I Ubered home. Had a nice drive. So we may or may not get a tint on the car. I'm gonna go as dark as possible if I can. I'm not gonna go completely illegal, but the back is definitely gonna be limo tint, alright? Did you hear that knock? I could have sworn someone just knocked. Anyway, I plan on getting that installed soon. My mom's coming out.
Get me off of that thing.
I'm making my video. Nothing. Love you too. That was my mom talking to me about my doctor trip yesterday. So, I forgot what I was saying, but we're doing the lighting for sure. I have the 2 kits, as you know. I have the 90mm halos. So if you have a S550 Mustang, it's 90mm for your headlights. I have those halos hooked up to a separate Bluetooth controller, so I can change both of the. How do I say this? I could pretty much, in a sense, have the halos be red and the the gills or the tri-bars be any other color, so they could be different colors. So that's kind of cool. I decided that I might as well do that because it just adds a little bit more diversity. I'd rather be able to have that option than want it in the future, you know what I'm saying? So that's good. I got some stuff planned. He gave me some really good ideas for the build. They do a lot of stuff there that I didn't know about, like tinting, audio. I really want to get a subwoofer in my car because the sound quality is just stuff for the future. So that's exciting. Hopefully, I'm gonna think about doing the tint tonight. I'll talk with my parents and see what they think. And yeah, my dad tinted his car, so I know he's a fan of tinting. So I hope he'll be like, go do it. Yeah. But yeah, like I said, I'll probably do pretty dark in the back, and I'll keep it legal or semi-legal in the front. And then, yeah. Other than that, I'm just super excited. I don't really know when I'm getting the car back. Probably the day after tomorrow. I have work tomorrow, so I gotta figure out how to get to work. But yeah, I just kind of YOLO'd it today. I didn't expect to drop the car off, but I said fuck it. Want to get it done. I want to get this over with. It's been a while. Jesse got me that kit back in December on Christmas. So the reason why I got the Halo kit is that the problem opening up my headlights isn't, you know, the wiring and stuff. It's the fact that there's glue and they have to like put it in the oven and heat it up and go back and forth between heating and then slowly cutting along the glue. And it's a process. So the price is really for opening up the headlight, not installing something in it. So I said I might as well get everything in the headlight done that I want to, so that I don't have to open it up twice and pay that extra money. So it's happening. Movement, can you please sponsor me, please? Shout out Movement. They're lit, okay? I love these watches. I'm just bummed out because there's a scratch on my watch face. Movement watches, can you just like, you know, hit me up? All right, well, I got some homework to do. I got some stuff to take care of. I'm gonna order a couple new shirts. Like I said earlier, the TheWizardTim 15, I believe is what I said. 15% off. Yay. I'll see you guys later. Hello guys. We came to the conclusion that we are going to tint the car. And sorry if you hear those pipes moving around, that's my washer. We are going to tint the car, and we're doing 5% in the back and 35 in the front. So, but what I mean is 5% the rear wind, 5% in the rear windshield and the quarter windows, and then 35% on my actual side windows. We're not tinting the front windshield. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Also, this is, oh, I'm gonna fix that. This is the new sweatshirt that's out. Very high quality, very comfortable. Can keep you very warm. It's not too heavy. It's just the right amount of heaviness. So get one, all right? Unify the people, come together. I'm gonna have an update for you guys on the clothing drive coming out very soon. But for today's video, I'm gonna end it here. You guys can check out the next video for the reveal of my car with the new lighting kit on the headlights and the fin, gill, tri-bar things, and the tint. I'm really excited. It's been long overdue, and I'm just pumped. So, thank you guys very much for watching. I am excited to announce that I am back making videos regularly. I have a lot planned. There's a lot of stuff happening. I got a lot planned for my car that's coming together. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you had a wonderful day, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to become my apprentice. Just remember that you can do whatever you believe in, whatever you want. And yeah, okay. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.